ba pag sila ang
Hindi,
naghawa?
dapat ibang tao. Dapat ibang tao yung maglalaglag.
Ang sakit naman ng chanelas mo, may lego.
Ayan na. 10 na.
10!
Oh.
January, oh my gosh.
Hahatingin
Uy,
natin
yung
sa gitna
chanelas
ko,
mo,
10.
may lego. Ano ba yan? Ang sakit.
Ready, guys?
Ready, ah?
Countdown. 1, 2. Nagkaroon may electric fan. Baka lipanin yung papel eh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tinitigan niya. Ready? Count of 5.
Wait, not this shirt! This shirt is...
Mahal, mahal yung shirt.
Mahal.
Wait, baka butasin mo!
Sa gigil baka
Mabubutas lang yan pag magulo ka.
Wait. Paano siya gagalaw?
Game.
Game.
Mali yung hawak na Miss B.
Kaya
Bakit?
Hindi dapat dyan.
Yan nga, hindi
Sa
nga.
waist.
Dapat dito.
Yan.
Ayan.
Baka mamaya may masundot pa. Puta.
Ay, wait!
Baka may masundot pa tayo. Ganyan.
Dito ako.
Yan, yan,
Baka
yan.
may makasundot. Baka makasundot ka pati.
Oo nga.
Usog dito, usog.
Ito. Tapos dito. Wait kasi, wait.
Yan, yan.
Wait! Sige, ito-talk probe kita.
Kahiro.
Yan.
Bakit?
Ayan na.
Bakit meron dito?
Because!
Oh.
Yan!
Yan, tama. Yan.
Pwede
Yan.
Teka lang. Ayaw nila kumain. Guys, let's do this. We promised them.
That's right. They're gonna get mad at you. You want them to get mad at you? You can't let them get mad. Don't make them mad. You don't want to make them mad.
Remember, Paldo night.
Oh, hands on likod.
Ayun.
Yan.
Hawak sa likod.
Sige natin, baka mamaya makasundot ka pa. Teka lang. Diba, guys? Marang natin. Game.
Ready?
Wait lang, ito tali ko.
Yan. Game.
You swing and then catch.
No.
You swing and then catch.
Ano to? Basagan ng ito.
That's how you know that he's gonna be tame. You swing and then catch.
Parang party game ng bata. Diba?
Game. Game.
Can you imagine? Boom, bonk.
Syempre, pag nakaganyan kayo, mamaya diba?
Ano yan?
Baka may sundot-sundot dyan, kaya ganyan dapat, o espada. Merong harang. Baharang!
Ayan. Wala ka na sa camera. Ready? Tatlo lang to. 1.
Ano ba? Dali.
Mag-mouthwash muna daw siya.
Dito na lang.
Okay.
Sabi niya, ganon. Oh, sige.
Yan na, dali. Ganon.
This is mine. One, two, three.
Yan, Chris.
It's safe na.
Buti na lang dito oras na wala nang 10 years old dyan.
Oh my God, di ko makuha.
Oh my God, we jumped to 10K.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, they came to see the swing and catch.
Doon
One.
talaga, gumising sila.
Diba, boys? That's how you do it, boys. All right.
Swing.
You swing and catch.
Ay. Ganun pala yun.
Ay, ikaw na lang, hindi ko kita.
Yung iba hindi na gets. If you know, you know.
Go!
All right. You asked, we do it.
So, 1.
Ganun pala.
Okay. 1.
Pasto ka muna. Ganun
Yeah.
ka, swing.
1, catch. Oh, he's safe na.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sama.
Okay.
Wala pa nga ako eh. Ang bilis naman ng papel.
Ano ba yung... Sige, ako din.
Dapat siguro mas mabigat.
Bentakos naman yun.
Baba ko pa
1,
onti, tapos dahan-dahan yung pag...
1,
Baka mabasag yung mukha ko.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Tatlo yun, di ba? That's the
Guys,
thing. That's 3.
Isa pa.
Tatlong try.
2.
Kamay sa likod.
Kamay sa likod. Kamay sa likod. Ready?
Tago. Tago.
1, 2, 1,
Ang layo
Yung
eh.
papel.
1.
Yung uso ko yung inaabangan mo eh.
Huli.
Huli.
Oo. Amsim.
Yung papel yung aabangan.
And that's how you do it.
Yung papel, hindi uso.
Oh, medyo paglapit dito.
Yung papel na dito pero doon dito na. Nahalata ba ako?
Halata. Game 1, 2, 3. Ubus yung ano natin. Yung turns natin. Guys, this is the last, ano.
No,
Ano kasi hindi counted
That
yun.
didn't count. I didn't even tuka.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't get to tuka.
Second attempt. 1, 2.
That's not a lie.
Magantay ka!
Come closer. Right there, see? Right there. And then I'll come right here.
Okay. Steady. Catch the paper, 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Sorry.
She's touching.
Hinalang mo
She's
eh.
touching the paper. She's
Oh.
touching the paper. Because you said touch the paper, so she
Okay.
yeah.
Sorry. Okay, second pa lang to.
Oh my
Okay.
God, 11.
Ang liit naman ang papel kasi.
Naila yun. 10 na nga eh.
10 eh.
1, 2, 3. Go. Kuha, be! Guys! Na-shoot!
There's have one more paper.
Last.
One more.
One pa. Sino may gusto ng...
Ay, guys!
Good night,
Si
guys!
Jello at saka si ano naman, Francis.
Uy! Good night,
May
guys!
ginagawa yun ng mga lalaki.
Paldo si Mr. B. One more daw. Good night, guys! Thank
Kayo
you for
naman
staying with
dalawa.
us. Thank you for the
Dalawa.
9 lions.
Ay, thank you guys. Thank you po.
Kayo naman dalawa, be.
Meron pa isa.
Isa pa. May
They
isa pa.
they gave an extra lion.
Tulog doon na nakangiti o ano, kayo lang hingiti na. Diyos ko, kung gusto nyo ibagsak ko pa to, alam niyo na gagawin nyo? Sabihin ko ba? Charing na. May isa pa ng turn talaga.
Isa pa.
May isa pang turn.
May last pa.
May isa pang turn.
Yeah.
Oh, ganun
Okay,
lang yon.
sige na.
Isa pa?
One more.
Check ko muna.
And we're going into the lightning round, so that means every lion, there's 3 more papers.
Hoy!
Just kidding.
Dami na daw puyat.
Okay, last.
Close up ko na to. Kuha kanina eh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kaya,
Talap tulog niya.
OMG daw. Ang galing ni Mr. B. Paldo.
Paldo night!
Ang talap.
Okay, guys. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
January, thank you. Guys, good night. Good night, everybody!
3 more. Three more papers.
Ay, uy, tama na!
Nawin.
Asa yung notebook?
Tama na!
Na, isusulat. Utang.
Additional yun. Half dapat.
Uy, tama na, Chris. Tama na.
Oh, 3 more pa. Magagalit sila.
Wag pa na kayo. Tama na.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. Galing sa iyo eh. I want you back.
Kanto ka din siya, di ba?
I never think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I have. You're all I have. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. Iba yung nahatak sa bibig. And I'm to you on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Ganun tama, di ba? Oh, yeah. I'm feeling like I'm famous, talk of the town. They say I've come in. Now I've come in.
Okay.
But they don't know what I know. 'Cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. And I'm you on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Do you ever hear me calling? Cause every time I'm talking to the moon, trying to get to you. And I'm sure on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
Thank you, January.
January, grabe ka.
Gusto ko lang kusunod na.
fun, just a chance to win your heart. You can set the bar beyond the
Sinunod na pala.
stars. I'll do anything you ask me to. Say you want to know, watch me learn to fly.
Mas bagay ikaw kumanta.
I'd risk it all for you.
January lang malakas
To
daw.
hold your hand and call you mine. Trying to be your man till the end of time. Oh, I'll do anything you ask me to.
Grabe si January. Hmm?
Let's do it.
Wow, thank you! Thank you so much. Grabe. Ano guys? Hindi masyado makita. Pasensya na po.
No, this one.
What's that? What is that?
This is the one.
Asan na yung isang mic? Chris. Ay.
I leave my heart at the door. I won't say a word. They all been said before, you know. Why me? Just play pretend. Like when I scared I was coming.
Paper game na daw. Ang aning na daw na leon.
Nothing
Bago pa, yung 3 more pa.
Huwag na, tama na.
There's no tomorrow. All I am. If this is my last night with you, hold me like more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can't lose. Take me by the hand, what we do, what lovers do, and that is how it ends. But what if I never love again?
Uy, 7 na daw yung layon.
2 na lang.
Uy, tama na. Nakakahiyan.
7 na layo.
I believe your modesty, the joy in your eyes, they speak for me. No one knows me like you do. Only one that matters. Tell me who to turn around, run to the door. Get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is if this is my last night with you, hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Take begins. What if I never love, never love again?
Grabe.
One lion to go.
Isa na lang.
Sana lang. Handa na.
Susuka na ako. Nahihilo.
Wala lang.
Jello kasi yun ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano yan? Wala. Hindi ako makakanta. Nahihilo ako na suka. Guys, ba't gano'n nahihilo ako? Nasusuka ako.
Ay!
Left ko din, no?
Sintomas yan ng charing. Nahihilo, nasusukha.
Ay,
Ha?
ay.
Beba,
Pare-
patapon yung tsaa dyan, ha?
Ako.
Guys.
Karaoke's.
January, ano ba to? Nahihilo ako. Nasusuka ako. Love na love. Yes. Ay, Je, oh.
Ano?
Frank at
May
you.
mahamon.
Parang nasusuka ako. Di ko kaya kumanta.
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before. That life's so full of a superficial. Some people want it all. I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I could you, baby, some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people search for the fountain. Promises forever young. Some people need roses. That's the only way you prove you're loving. Make me the world.
Nagtanggal ng pilikmata. Sorry, guys. Cluster.
No one to share, no one who truly
Weekend.
for me. Some people want it all. I want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything.
Everything means nothing. I ain't got you. Nasa tapings. Ay, hindi. Siguro nakauwi na sila. Taping sila today eh.
Some people want diamond rings, some people want
Ay, January, thank you so much. Grabe ka talaga.
you.
Guys, baka mapagod na si Chris.
I got you with me, baby. Oh,
Wala akong taping today.
Find that you with me,
Medyo,
Sakit ng tiyan ko.
Actually, ako din.
Sakit.
Ano yun? Yung chicken ba?
Sa kinain, guys.
Biglang...
Hot water! Pwede mo kayo hot water, be? Pero, yung pwede namang mainom. Yung pwedeng mainom na hot water. Hala, 9 na layo na daw. Diyos ko.
9 ba or 8?
9 na daw. Pumayat ka, Christy, na may mukha mo.
I heard you say,
Baka na-acid ako, no?
I heard you answer. And so I came to see it, to listen for a while.
Wala akong bus ko pa, eh.
And then you were this
Sobrang init. Painom din.
a stranger to my eyes.
Sabi mo,
Praying with his fingers, singing my life with his words.
Kaya nga tulog na si Katie. Gusto ko sana makita pang gising.
Kill me softly with this song, telling my
Sa chicken oil, no? Dami ko kasi pinuhos ko yung chicken oil.
Ano yun? Sa tuod mo?
Pilit mata.
Medyo mainit na buka. Mainit pa?
Hindi.
I felt the
Okay na rin.
flash with fever, and there is my
Pagkuwatan mo konti.
crown.
Okay na ga. Thank you, ga.
I felt he found
Guys, pag umakit ako, hindi na ako bababa.
I pray that he would finish.
Hindi na ba ako umakyat, guys?
He just kept right on.
Tulog ako.
With his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing softly with his song,
Tama na, Chris.
softly
Oy.
with his song.
Pahinga ka na. Ang ginagawa niya. Uy, nakita tayo si Katie. Hindi ko na nakita. Ay! Tara na.
Tara na.
Si Katie, ako. Akitin ko na si Katie. Lo, tingnan mo yung mukha mo. Yes. Alright, thank you so much, everybody. Bigyan,
Lion na!
baka magalit si auntie mom. Auntie mom tuloy si
Lion na!
Nag-9
Okay,
ba?
yun na.
Ewan ko sabi nila,
Yun
babe.
na, yun na. Hindi pwede yan.
Paano ba natin ma-check?
Hindi pwede yan. 9 na. Gawin na.
Halika na, tara na.
Game na
matapos
yan.
na. Tok na ako, babe.
Ano yun na
Para makapagpa.
Ang daming
Pagay na tayo ng aircon. Okay. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Hug na daw. Good night.
Good night, Mr. Bean.
Ayan na.
Good night, Mr. B!
Paldo!
Good night, January!
Paldo!
Good night, everybody!
Ang galing, nasalo yung muso.
Good night, guys! Good night, Jen! Night, sis!
Good night.
Good night!
Good night!
Good night, everybody. January.
Diyos ko.
Thank you.
January, thank you.
No,
January.
no, really. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you talaga, January.
Sana may tip din yung nagbato ng papel. Jenari, baka naman, oh, yung naglaglag ng papel, oh. Ginalingan ko din. Saka yung nagka-camera. Yung may-ari ng papel, oo.
Oy, good night na guys. Bahala na kayo.
Thumbnail.
Ha?
Mag-thumbnail.
Ay, thumbnail tayo! Picture. Sana. Okay.
Tapos may papel? Or wala na?
Yun yung may pagkasin ba?
Ito lang.
Yan.
Or sila lang yung may hawak?
Picture?
Dali, ikaw.
Yan.
Ay, ganun na.
Malapit na.
Wait, that was from the floor, huh?
Paano?
Ito na lang bago.
Ito kasi si Jeff, pinurot niya sa floor eh.
Maganda ba yung shot ganyan?
Pang thumbnail nyo po.
Okay.
Tapos taas din yung tingin.
Dito, dito.
Tapos,
Kabila.
ikaw na.
Kabila.
Baba mo konti, tapos medyo magkadigyung.
O ano ba? Parang gigil naman. Picture na lang.
Picture nga.
Saka ang tingin pa. Ating pout. Kuya dito. Focus mo. Alright. Video po yan.
Ay, puta ko na tayo! Ginago kami!
Kukuha na lang sila ng capture doon.
Walang hiya!
Ay, nandyan pa pala sila. Kala mo.
Oh my gosh.
Andyan pa pala kayo.
Pinagtripan ako. Thumbnail daw. Video pala.
Nagkukuha na lang sila doon. Tama. Oh, screenshot.
Dito tayo, dali.
Good
Jet!
night.
Sama ka, dali, Mara.
Saya.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Take home.
Akit na kay Katie. Yes, akit na, guys.
Thank you,
Ate Mom,
guys.
sleep na tayo.
Good night, everybody.
Thank you so
Night.
much.
We hope you guys enjoyed.
Wait.
Good night. Say good night, everybody.
Good night.
We love you.
We love you.
Say good night.
Yung dance mo talaga eh.
Good night.
Good night.
Goodbye.